Welcome to the Dream Realizer Club. Today we are going to tell you another very beautiful story that will teach you that a person may have high intelligence but poor judgment. You should choose your advisors carefully but use your own judgment. So, let's hear the story. Education does not mean a good judgment. There is a story about a man who sold hot dog by the roadside. He was illiterate, so he never read newspapers. He was hard of hearing, so he never listened to the radio. His eyes were weak, so he never watched television. But enthusiastically, he sold lots of hot dogs. His sales and profit went up. He ordered more meat and got himself bigger and better stove. As his business was growing, the son, who had recently graduated from the college, joined his father. Then something strange happened. The son asked, "Dad, aren't you aware of the Great Recession that is coming our way?" The father replied, "No, but tell me about it." The son said, "The international situation is terrible. The domestic situation is even worse. We should be prepared for the coming bad times." The man thought that since his son had been to college, read the newspapers, and listened to the radio, he ought to know and his advice should not be taken lightly. So the next day, the father cut down his order for the meat and buns, took down the sign, and was no longer as enthusiastic. Very soon, fewer and fewer people bothered to stop at his hot dog stand, and his sales started coming down rapidly. The father said to his son, "Son, you are right. We are in the middle of the recession. I am glad you warned me ahead of time." What morals can we take away from this story? The moral number 1. Our expectation can create a self-fulfilling prophecy. Moral number 2. Many times we confuse intelligence with good judgment. Moral number 3. A person may have high intelligence but poor judgment. Moral number 4. Choose your advice carefully but use your own judgment. A person can and will be successful with or without formal education if they have the 5 C's: character, commitment, conviction, courtesy, and courage. Moral number 6. The tragedy is that there are many walking encyclopedias who are living failures. Intelligence is quickness to learn. Skill is an ability. Competence is the ability along with the willingness and desire to apply what is learned. Many skillful people are incompetent. So, Sir William Churchill rightly said, "The first duty of a university is to teach wisdom, not trait, character, not technicalities." If you like such stories, please subscribe to our channel. That will encourage us to create many more such motivational contents. So thank you and see you in the next video.